to my channel. Today we are sharing with you a simple and healthy drink, which is carrot ginger juice. The drink is not only it tastes amazing, but also it has benefits for your skin and body as well. Therefore, let's get started. As you can see in my camera, I do have one large carrot and one root of ginger. This is what we need for our recipe. Later we will need water, and lastly we will need citric powder. If you don't have citric powder, you can use lemon or lime. We need lemon or lime or citric powder to add flavor to our juice. Therefore, first let's start by washing our carrots to remove the dirt. After washing, we are going to start peeling. Let's cut our carrot into half for easy peeling. This is our carrot. Our carrot is ready. We've washed to remove the dirt. I've peeled it. Therefore, I'm going to set it aside and peel our ginger root. We are done with the carrots. I just want you to know carrots are low in calories and high in fiber. The fiber in carrots is what we need to help us to lose or to help us in weight management. And carrot also help one in looking young. It do away with the wrinkles, and it also boosts skin elasticity. All this is because of vitamin A in carrots. I'm going to put my carrot aside and take my root of ginger. Let's cut it into half, and we are going to peel it and wash it again to remove the dirt. As you can see, I'm peeling my ginger. After peeling it, I'm gonna wash it, and I'm going to cut it into small pieces. And as for ginger, guys, it improves digestion and slightly it boosts metabolism, which can aid to fat loss. I'm almost done with ginger. Our ginger is clean. I'm just now going to wash it to do away with the dirt. I'm going to clean my knife because we need it to chop our ginger and carrots. Now I'm going to start the process of chopping my ginger and carrots and transfer everything directly into my blender jar. When everything is added into my blender, I'm later going to add 2 glasses of water and set my blender ready. Let us chop. We are almost done with the chopping of carrots.
After we are done with the carrots, I'm going to take my root of ginger and also cut it, or you can say chop it into small cubes, then transfer it into our blender jar. I'm going to transfer it and take ginger root for chopping. Lastly, I'm going to chop my root of ginger. We don't need much of ginger because ginger is very strong. That's why I chose to use one root, but you can add more ginger as you like. At the end, don't forget to use citric powder, lemon or lime for extra flavor in our juice. Don't forget this juice. It helps in weight loss management, and it will help you to look more younger and your skin to shine brighter. We are done with ginger. I'm just going to transfer it into my blender jar. Add 2 cups of water into my blender and blend everything fully until it is smooth as I need it. Our ginger is ready. This is my fresh water from tap directly. I'm going to add it in my blender jar. I'm going to take another glass of water. Lastly, I'm going to take my citric powder, or you can call it citric acid. If you don't have citric powder, you can use lemon or lime. Take a half teaspoon of lemon and add it to the ingredients in our blender jar. I'm going to cover my blender and we start the blending process. Everything is fully in my blender jar. Therefore, we are just going to start the process of blending our juice until it is smooth. We are going to consume everything fully. If you like, you can strain the juice, or you can just take everything the way it is. I think our juice is ready. I'm just therefore going to check our juice if it has completely blend into a smooth drink. As you can see, it has really blended, and this is the end result of our carrot ginger lemon juice. This is good for weight loss management. If you want a bright, colorful, shiny skin, you can use this drink. If you want to do away with the wrinkles, this drink will help us. Therefore, let's have a taste of our juice. To you, my beautiful viewer, we have the end product of our carrot ginger lemon juice, and this is how it looks in our blender jar. I'm going to taste it for you and tell you how it tastes. Wow, it is so sweet. Lemon itself has given our juice an extra flavor. Everything blended fully well, which make our juice to be soft as you take it. No need to strain it. If you like, you can strain it. I prefer it this way because the juice is smooth. I'm just going to consume everything. And you can try this and tell me in the comments how it turned out to be. Thank you so much. And yeah, I really feel so refreshed after drinking the juice. And try it and feel what I am feeling. If you enjoyed this recipe, please give my video a like, subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. If you find this video informative, you can share it with your friend or relative. Subscribe to my channel for more healthy drink, for more healthy recipe. Try this carrot ginger juice with just a touch of lemon, and let me know in the comments if it works for you. See you in the next video.